We'll guide you through how to update your MSI motherboard BIOS. If you guys find this video to be helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel, ringing the bell icon and leaving a like. Let's get right into it. So if you want to update your motherboard, the first thing we need to do is actually find out the model of the motherboard, and for that we need to press Windows and R, our Windows key and our R key, and then we need to type in MSInfo32 and press OK. Under this item section, you'll see your baseboard product. Under the value section, you'll see the model. I have the MSI Pro B760ME DDR4, so this is the name of my motherboard. Although this method will work for updating most manufacturers' motherboards, if you're using MSI in specific though, there is one more way to check which model you're using. Just go to this Show Hidden Icons drop-down and your MSI Center should be running. If it's not, just go over to the search bar and type in MSI Center. Open up this application given to you by MSI themselves, and then in the support page, you can see your serial number, your model name, and this is exactly what we want, the model name, Pro B760ME DDR4. Although you will not start up on this app on this specific page, you will start up on this app. But the support button is right there, you can just click it, and then you can go into system info, and there will be the information for everything that you're looking for. So in order to download the latest updates for our motherboard, we need to first note down the model, and once we know it, we need to hit open our browser. Once we're at the browser, we need to add the name that we just saw right here. So I'm gonna just write Pro B760ME, and then I'm gonna put a space and write in update. We're gonna press enter and we're gonna go to MSI's official website, and this is the name of our motherboard, so we can click it. When you open up your driver, you should already be on the support page and the drivers and downloads page. If you aren't, just go under support, go to drivers and downloads, and you'll see the latest drivers. So do not download any drivers which are still in beta. Download the ones that are actually solid and ready to go. This one is the most latest one for me. It released in 2025 in the 8th month on the 21st. So we're just gonna go ahead and download this. Save it wherever you like, and then it will start downloading. Then you'll get this folder right here. So in order to update our motherboard, we actually need a formatted USB stick. Then we place that USB drive into our motherboard and update our BIOS. How do we format a USB stick? It's actually pretty simple. I'll show you right now. So for example, this local disk H was your USB drive. You just right click on it, and then there's a format option right here. If you format your USB stick, all the data inside it will be lost and everything will be erased. Just click format and leave everything as is, and then click on start. This will finish in just a couple of seconds. It'll be done formatting, and then your USB stick will be ready to go. Once you have it formatted, navigate to where you downloaded this new BIOS for your motherboard. Open it up, open up the folder again, and this HC0 file over here, or it could be any file, we need to copy this and paste it into our formatted USB stick. Not the text document file, we can ignore this. We just need this file, which is not the text document one. Copy this or cut it and paste it into your USB stick. Now that we've got our USB stick loaded with the new BIOS, we can shut our PC down and then start it up again. Getting into the BIOS is pretty simple, although it differs from PC to PC on which button you need to press to get into your BIOS. It's either F1, F2, F3, or delete. What I like to do is I just keep spamming all 4 of those keys in hopes of the BIOS opening. Sometimes when the PC is booting up, there will be a message down below which will tell you exactly what to press. Once inside the BIOS, you need to go to the M flash option to the left side over here, click it open, and then they'll tell you that the system will reboot if you enter the flash mode. Click on yes. Then they'll bring you to this menu where you'll be able to see every type of storage installed in your computer, and you will also see your USB stick here. Click open your USB stick, and then inside find the BIOS file and double click it to open it up. And then your BIOS will start updating, and once it's updated, it will take you back to your computer home screen. That's it for today, guys. If you guys liked this video and found it helpful, like the video, subscribe to our channel, all the good stuff. Thank you very much for watching. Peace.